Good morning, students. Welcome to your new online classes. Today, let us start our class with the first chapter, The Guest House. Before going to the poem, let us know about the poet. The poet of the poem, The Guest House, is Jalaluddin Rumi. He was a 13th century Persian poet. He was born on 30th September 1207 in Afghanistan and died on 17 December 1273. Now, let us go through the poem. In this poem, the poet uses the metaphor of a guest house to describe life's journey. He calls the human being a guest house. Lines that follow establish this comparison by continuing the metaphor. Now let us go through the poem. This being human is a guest house, every morning a new arrival, a joy, a depression, a meanness. Some momentary awareness comes as an unexpected visitor. Welcome and entertain them all, even if they are a crowd of sorrows who violently sweep your house empty of its furniture. Still treat each guest honorably. He may be clearing you out for some new delight. Let us go through the meaning of these stanzas. In this poem, the poet uses the metaphor of a guest house to describe life's journey, and he calls the human being a guest house. In that guest house, every morning there will be a new arrival. Who arrives in that guest house? A joy, a depression, a meanness. These all are the unexpected visitors in that guest house. We, the human beings, are the guest houses, and these all feelings are the guests who come unexpectedly in that houses. These visitors may give a joy, otherwise depression, otherwise meanness. But whatever may be, we have to accept them. The poet again says that we have to welcome and entertain them all, even if they are a crowd of sorrows or if it may destroy everything. But then also we must treat each guest respectfully. Okay? After it, we may get some new delight. Delight means happiness. The dark thought, the shame, the malice, meet them at the door laughing and invite them in. Be grateful for whatever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond. The poet again says that the dark thought, the shame, the malice means the desire to do harm. Meet them at the door, laughing. But then also we have to invite them in. Even if they are giving some happiness or unhappiness, then also we have to invite them in. Okay, whatever may be, we have to invite them in. That means we have to accept them. Here them means depression, meanness, dark thought, shame, malice, etc. Okay, whatever may be, we must invite them in. Means they all are the visitors of our house. Means these all feelings are the visitors of life. Okay, so we have to accept them all. Again he says that be grateful for whatever comes. Why? Because each has been sent as a guide to us from the beyond. Here beyond means God. So God sends everything means happiness and sadness, everything. So, we must accept them respectfully. Now, students, kindly find out the answers of these questions. Okay, students? Hope you have understood this poem, and let us end this section here. In our next class, we will learn another lesson. Okay? Thank you.